Hello class, this is a continuation on multi-step equations. In this video, we'll look at applying the same technique to equations with algebraic denominators. In this set of examples, they will always reduce down to a linear equation, meaning we will always have a single solution. And so here we go. So for these, in this video, we'll look at these first two examples. And so for these ones, we need to identify the lowest common multiple between x and 5x. This becomes a little bit more difficult. So to think of this as 1x, so it's 1 times x, and this one as 5 times x. Notice how both these numbers already have x. So this number, 1x, requires a multiple of 5. So the lowest common multiple between this is going to be 5x. Likewise, this is going to be over a denominator of 1. Now that we have this, we apply the same logic. As x becomes 5x, we have multiplied by 5. So that means we must also multiply 3 by 5. So 3 times 5 gives us 15. That plus remains in the center. And so we apply the same logic. 5x to become 5x. Nothing has happened. Or you can say it's been multiplied by 1. So when we multiply 3 by 1, it remains the same. So 3 times 1 is still 3. The equals also carries down. 1 to become 5x this time, though. It has multiplied by 5x. So we also multiply the numerator 2 by 5x. So 2 times 5x becomes 10x. Now, since everything is being divided by 5x, we can multiply the entire equation by 5x, and these cancel. This leaves us with, adding these two, we get 18 equals 10x. And then dividing both sides by 10, we get x equals 18 over 10, which simplifies down to 9 over 5, or 1.8 it will be as a decimal. And that's how we do it for this one. You can pause and give the next one a go. You'll see that it has a 3 and a 7 this time, but you'll still understand that the lowest common multiple between these numbers can be found using the same idea as this one. So here we go. Notice how they both already have a factor of x. So we keep x here. We just now look at the lowest common multiple between 3 and 7. Well, that becomes 21. And the same process actually happens again. For 3x to become 21x, we need a multiple or a factor of 7. So multiplying this by 7, we get 21x. So we multiply this by 7 as well. So 4 times 7 is 28. Same idea, 7x to become 21. We have multiplied by 3. So we multiply the numerator by 3 as well. So this becomes 6. Same idea for 1. And remember, these always have a denominator of 1. For 1 to become 21x, we have multiplied by 21x. So we multiply the numerator by 21x as well. 1 times 21x is 21x. Same step at this point, same denominator. We can multiply everything by 21x. These cancel, leaving us now with just this equation in the numerator. 28 plus 6 is 34, equals 21x. Dividing both sides by 21, we get 34 over 21. And I'm unsure if that simplifies, but we can check here. See if this simplifies. 34 over 21. Nope, it stays as the fraction 34 over 21. And so that's how we would approach these types of equations. Hope to see you in the next video where we tackle these much harder versions here. We've got 3 more videos for this one. Hope to see you then, and best of luck.